Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline colors. The CSS outline color property with filter invert values for color inversion. Once again, the CSS outline color property with filter invert values for color inversion. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our document right here. We are having this. This is so nice, right? Now let's use our color inversion so we can see how everything works. This is our color which we have right here. So I'm going to remove this. So after I remove it, I'm going to write filter right here. When I write the filter, I'm going to write inversion, invert. So I need some values right here. You can specify the numeric. So now let me give it 0 value, 0%. I want you guys to be attentive with this. When I give it 0%, can you see there's no any color there again? It's remaining the default color, which is the black color. Let's say for instance this is having rich color. The rich is gray color by default. So the solid is black color by default. When we reload, can you see? Now let's say we want to invert this color inversion. We are trying to do is that we want to layer some other things on top of this. So let's layer this our inversion on top of it. Let's see how our colors going to reflect to it, react to it, especially this black and this blue border. This is going to work with the border and the outline at once, because we are selecting the element which is having the border and the outline together. So the element is the fit set, which is this fit set element. So it's the one that is having this border and also it's having this outline also. So as you can see, this is the element which is the fit set. So we want to perform color inversion right here. So we have specified 0 right here, and our document is having the default color. The default color we gave this one is blue, and the default color we are giving this one is black by default, right? Let's think maybe we can change the color. Firstly, let's change the color. Let's change the color first. Let's use our outline color also. I want to do this so you guys can also see what will happen. Let's use green. I'm going to use green right here. Yes, I'm going to use green right here. Let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see? Now we are having what? We are having green and blue. So let's do some color inversion with this green and blue first. So this is green and blue we are having in our document. We are having this one, the blue at the border, and the outline is having the green. And our text, the normal text color we are having right here is black. As you can see, this is the black color. So you are going to see how different elements is going to react to everything you are seeing here. Our text right here is going to react to it. Our blue color right here is also all the thing that is having color, which we are using for our fit set element. Everything is going to react to it. So now let's see how this blue is going to react to it, how black is going to react to it. As you can see, this black, how it's going to react to it, and also how this blue also and this green also is going to react to it. So let's specify, let's start increasing it gently one by one. Firstly, let's give it 1. When we give it 1%, reload your document. Can you see nothing reflects here right now? Let's increase it 5%. Let's give it 5%. Can you see nothing reflects here? You can't notice anything yet. But let's say for instance we give it 10%. When we give it 10%, something is happening already. If you look at this, our black right here, the black is no more black like before again. The black is getting to something like a gray color. So keep looking at the text. The text is reacting to it also, and this blue also, this green and this blue is reacting to it also. Now let's keep increasing this. Let's increase it, let's give it 35. When we give it 35, I'll come back to our document and reload. Can you see our black is getting darker and it's getting to gray color, and the green is getting dark also. The blue is also getting fade. So let's increase this, reach 50%. or let's just give it 55. Now reload. Can you see the gray from the black is getting dim more than, and the blue also is changing color. The blue is changing to another thing. The green, the blue, this one which we have here, the green now is coming up, is changing to blue. We are going to see what will happen. This is very funny. So let's change this to 75. Can you imagine the green is turning to blue and the blue is turning to what? To green, to yellow, sorry, it's turning to yellow. So let's increase it, reach 95, so you can see what I'm talking about. Just imagine we're having this like ink color in our green. Now the green is turning to ink color, so, and the blue is turning to yellow. So let's, and if you notice very well, our black now, the black color is now turning to what? It's now turning to light gray, very light, and is getting lighter. So let's now give it 100%. When we give it 100%, reload your document. Can you see we are no more seeing our text again? Our text is now behind everything. We don't see it again, but we are able to see this ink color from the green, and we are able to see the yellow color from the, so that's what I want to show you. As you can see, we add some effects to it using our filter. So we lay something to it and it works for us. So when we get to our advanced level again, I'm going to show you more crazy way you can use all this property I'm using right here, because this is so useful and so reasonable. I don't want to hide anything for you guys, so you guys can be able to understand the main thing. The more you can go with all these elements whenever you are using any property with it. So we are getting deeper. We have been coming from, we have been through this CSS outline color. Now in our next tutorial we are going to talk about another topic. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Peace and love.